Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transform any of your videos in short. So we are going to start. We are going to use Filmora. Okay, from here make sure you select portrait 9:16. Okay, portrait and then new project. I'm gonna add this video. It's a 3-minute video. You can just close here. Do not select this one and just close. As you can see here. So this is the portrait recommended for YouTube short. But what I'm going to do about the black area here, I'm gonna add a background. I'm gonna add this. I'm going to do this. Like this. Like this. I put it back. I'm gonna add some text here. So this video is 3 minutes. Now we need to make it less than 60 seconds. I click here, speed. I'm gonna say 4. So I'm gonna make it 4. Now my video went to from 3 minutes to 45 seconds. I'm gonna add some text here. This. And I say please like, share, change the color, I'll do this. Gonna move it here like this. Let's try this. Yeah, I'm gonna make black. Let's try 100 like this. Please like, share, like this. Okay, I'm gonna add another one, another text down here. I'm gonna say command a subscribe. Okay, like this, maybe color gonna make it bigger. Maybe make it bigger, 100, 125, center. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. So this is how you create a YouTube short. Please don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Ciao.